Okay, so this is the Sonicare toothbrush, Philips, and it's broken. As you can see, it powers on and it charges without a problem, but the motor doesn't work. The motor stopped working. So what I want to do is take it apart and see if I can repair it. At this point in time, I don't know if I can. But anyway, to take it apart, let me show you how to do it. Underneath is a little piece of plastic that you can just lift out like a lid. So I'm going to use this monkey wrench here. I'm going to squeeze it along the long length there. Not like that, but like the long way. And before I do, I'm just going to wrap some cloth around it so that I don't damage the case. Now, let me just get that around there. You can see it now. If I squeeze the handles in, we can see that there's a gap starting to open. There is now a gap just around here and also on the other side. I can now stick a screwdriver in there. This is a little screwdriver. I can now just start to lever it out. Okay, so one side, now the other. So to look at it, you can see it's popping out a little bit there. So it's a bit tricky still, but works better. Okay, so now, there we go. That's it. It's off. It's just a piece of plastic. It fits quite tightly, a little O-ring on there as well, so that's how it becomes waterproof. Loosen the monkey wrench. The next bit though is very tricky. I don't know how to get this bit out now. I tried using the long nose pliers there and squeezing it out, trying to pull it out, but it doesn't work. So if anyone knows what to do next, leave a comment and I will try and figure out and make a part 2 to this video. I don't know how to get that inside bit out now. Not really sure what to do. It's stuck. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share.